way the speaker or the writer says his ideas, right? Whereas the mood is the atmosphere or the emotions that the reader feels because of the words written, right? That's the difference between tone and mood. So on the board here, I've got several examples of tone and mood. I think we looked at poems with these different moods, right? We have admiring, committed, loving, isolated, romantic, ominous, and angry. Do you remember what ominous means, by the way? Okay, ominous means like when you have a feeling that something bad is coming, right? So what I want to do today then, as usual, is I'm going to present a series of pictures on the board, this side and this side, and maybe after a minute or so, I want someone to come forward and link the emotions or the moods and tones to the picture according to which is appropriate, okay? And then that person, I'll give you chalk, you just draw a line, then you nominate someone else to do the same until they all have a picture, okay? So let's start with these two there. Do you know these two, by the way? Yeah. When I printed this in the internet cafe, the girls started laughing at me, but let's use them anyway. So firstly we have Alda, picture of Alda looking very cute. And then we have a more, I think, expressive painting maybe. I'll let you decide what kind of tone or mood you think that one has. I think we have 7 pictures altogether. Then here we have a cloud overshadowing a flat, barren-looking field. So what kind of emotion does that create? Then we have these two. What's up? Who said Anne Curtis? No, I think Anne Curtis is in here somewhere. Then we have a picture of a man looking at two-way arrow, and then of course, I don't think it would be a lesson without this girl with it. So let's have Anne Curtis. And I think we'll just have 2 more. Oh no, we'll have 1 more. Yeah, just put it at the bottom. Okay, so we have several pictures now, right? What I want you to do is I'll call on someone, can you just draw a line linking the mood to the particular picture which you think it's related to, and afterwards, when all of the moods and tones have a picture, then we'll go through what you said. So, Kinsai, so Henry, put a hand up first, then you nominate your classmates, okay? Yep, there are some that you can put 2 arrows to, or 1 picture that can have 2. You nominate anybody. Okay, you can make it out if you want.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
So Myers and Curtis, by the way. Okay, so we have a few more, right? Who's excited? Okay. May you nominate somebody? Then we'll have Andrew next. Can you nominate Andrew, please? Okay, there are a few words that don't have arrows in it. Does Andrew have an arrow? So just link it to which picture you think it describes. Okay, so is that all of them? Does every picture and word have an arrow now? Okay, so let's look at what people thought. This very cute looking image of, what are their names again? Alden, but what are their names? Alden and something. Okay, you think, yeah, this one definitely looks a little bit cute, a little bit romantic, right? I think the image of the couple, remember images create mood, right? The image sets up a very romantic feeling, or the mood is romantic. What about this one then? The clouds over the field. Some people said angry, someone said indecisive or confused, is that? Goes to ominous. Yeah, I think this is what I was hoping you would say. The clouds over the horizon looking very dark over the flat land. It seems to symbolise maybe a little bit of danger or shadow. Feels kind of ominous, right? But maybe this could be a symbol and it creates an ominous mood. The next one is confused, an arrow pointing both ways. Oh yeah, indecisive and confused. Yeah, that's what I was hoping you would say. Let's look at this one last. What about the crying girl painting of the crying girl? Isolated. I think angry as well could be a mood or emotion you see in this picture, depending on how you interpret it. What about these? Are you fans of these two, by the way? Yeah. In my other class, there's a girl that every time I do this kind of thing, she always asks me to have this guy. So that's why I got this guy today, because on special request. Did you say, is it romantic as well or loving? This one would be loving, right? He's got his arms around her, the image of that. Puts a very loving kind of emotion. And lastly, my favourite, what do we have here? Admiring. So inside admires and Curtis. Yeah, that's why I included admiring, because for me, what's that? What's that? This could connect to loving. Okay, maybe if the viewer feels something, yeah, it could be loving as well. What about the last one then? What is this? Where is this from? This is from a song, right? I think this is a lyric of a song, right? What did you put it to? Admiring. It could also be. It could also be committed. It could also be romantic and loving, right? This is a lyric of the song from Twilight, right? It's a very bad but very romantic movie. What's that? Yeah, Bella and Edward. I don't like those two, but I use this anyway because today what I want to do is I want to look at six different songs. Did I say last meeting that we were going to do songs today? Yeah, that's what I want to do. Today I want to look at lyrics of songs. I'll give you handouts, and in 6 groups I think, I want you to analyse the song for tone and mood and look for what 3 things again create what 3 things create mood, Yves? What 3 things create mood again? Images, correct. What else? What's that? Yeah, emotion, that's synonymous to mood. So you've got 1, images create mood. What else creates mood, Joanna? Literary devices, and then January. Descriptions, literary devices, and what's the other one again? Images. They create mood. Okay, so that's what I want you to look for in the songs. So in a minute, I'm going to give you the lyrics for the songs. But firstly, can you count off? Let's go 1 to 6, and then start at the back. You want to start with John?
1.
Okay, so everybody has a number now. Why are there so few of us? I thought there'd be more today. People are absent? Alright, but there are some people not. Okay, so can we go to our groups then? Let's have group 1, group 2, 3, and then as always 4, 5, and then 6, okay? And then I'll give you your lyrics for the songs. I think you're going to like the songs, by the way. Yeah, can you form circles in your groups? Okay, so I've written 3 questions on the board. Can you answer these 3 questions on 1 whole sheet of paper based on your lyrics? Yeah, you can work in groups, so I want to collect answers from everyone, okay? Yeah, can everybody write their answers individually? So everyone has to have the answers. Please don't write on these copies because I need to use these in the other class, okay? So Ayal Salat. Okay, so I'll start giving you your songs, and you only look at the song with your corresponding group number, okay? Each song has a number next to it. So group 1, you just look at song with the number 1, group 2, the song with number 2, and then group 3 with the song with the number 3 next to it, okay? I think we did this very similar before, right? So I think it's easy to work. Okay, so I'll start giving out the copies now. I think it's 9 pages, but you just look at 1 song, okay? 1 song each group. Do you want to sing the songs afterwards? Okay, I think it would be easier if I just played the songs on my speaker, right? Yeah, I was joking. No, we won't sing it today. This is in English. I'll play you the songs on the speakers. I don't think we need to sing them. That would be more like the music class. Okay. Andrew, do you have a copy? Okay, you have a copy. Alright, one more group. So let's take about 10 or 15 minutes to do this. Then each song will share your answers and I'll play your song on my laptop, okay? Make sure you're able to answer all 3 of the questions. So, yeah, you can work in a group, but I want to collect answers from everyone, okay? Yeah, okay on that. No, you don't need to sing that. I'll play it on speakers. But if you want to sing it, then you can sing it. Yeah. These are songs from this century, right? So, your group number 6, right? So just look at song number 6. Okay. Song number 6. I think it's on page 8. Yeah. I think it's a popular song. You like the song? Good. That's why I chose these songs, because I think they're quite popular. And they all have very distinctive tone and mood, and a lot of them have literary devices. So in about 10 or 15 minutes, let's listen to the songs, and each group will share their answers. Yeah, like last meeting with the poems. But this time you don't need to read it out, I'll play them again. Means a little bit scared, a little bit nervous, like almost scared, a bit scared.
Did I include that on here?
No, I didn't. By the way, the moods in the songs, they might not be just these ones, okay? They might be moods we looked at before, or any other emotions, okay? Don't just take it from here. It could be any mood or any emotion. I selected lonely. Barrel is absent, right? Well, where's the barrel? Yeah, correct. Yeah, but you can story out. You can speak with your group mates about it, but for your answers, I'll always let them in from everyone. Yeah, so maybe 2 reporters in about another 10 minutes or so. Chaotic means very hectic, very unorganized, a big mess. Okay, so you remember how devices create mood, right? Like similes or metaphors, they create positive or negative mood, right? You remember the devices, right? And so, what devices? Yeah, metaphor, what else? Personification, what's that? Simile, oxymoron. Who said onomatopoeia? So these different devices that we looked at, right? They create a positive or negative mood, right? Remember the feelings, is it good or bad? So devices, how do they make you feel good or bad? Or what emotions do they create? Was there something in there? Oh, Maroon 5, that has a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of images. I think there are similes in that song as well. Let's look for similes. Violent means aggressive and people getting hurt. So it's a negative mood. And so song. Oh, that's definitely violent. And there are good, I think, metaphors in that song. Look at the metaphors. Mood or tone, either one is okay. Look at the tone or look at the mood, your choice. Because some songs, they have good tone, some songs have good mood, some have both. Sometimes tone is more important than mood, sometimes mood is more important than tone. So you choose. Whichever one's more obvious. That image does create mood. It's an image, not a symbol. Midnight driving with the windows. Yeah. So what kind of feeling does that create? Feel positive, right? that change? Yeah, if yes, then it's explain. But if it stays the same, then just the answer is but if the mood changes, then write how it changes. Some songs the mood change. Reckless means very careless. Sometimes in the verse or the chorus the mood can change, but if it stays the same then you need to connect. Okay, so how are the groups doing so far? Someone's at one group, two has already finished? Paul or Pa. Mila, is your group already done? Still writing? How much more time do you want? 5 more minutes? Or 4 more minutes and then we'll start. Make sure you answer all 3 of the questions, okay? Okay, Andres? Can you try and answer all